Welcome to Impana Tech World. Today I'm starting with a new concept, that is assignment operators. It is a continuation part of the operators. For the operators video, you can watch the playlist, that is C programming. Okay, assignment operators. Assignment operators means in the word only we can come to know assign. That means assigning the value to a variable. As I said, assigning a value to a variable. This is the particular variable. This is integer. This is a particular variable and you're assigning the value 10. For the variable, you're assigning the value 10. In assignment operator, there are different types of assignment operators. That is, first one is addition assignment. Addition assignment means adding the value to a variable. Adding value to a variable. You add value to a variable. We'll see how. Okay, this is one more example. Hint, you're declaring the variable x and assigning the value 10. And now you're adding the value to a variable. Okay, you're adding the value to a variable. We'll see, this is a variable, this is a value. You're adding the value to a variable. So the output will be 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. But in other, if you sum it, like for example, you can see the other way is if you sum it, like declaring separately, that is int x is equal to 10 and int y is equal to 5. Now in the part of printf, what you can do, format specifier, new line, and you can write x plus y. Here you're declaring you have to perform the particular sum operation, right? But in this particular thing, no need to declare anything. If you just printf percentile d n, okay, double inverted comma, then if you write, that is x, it will print the output because you already add the value to a variable by using this particular addition assignment. Okay, addition assignment. In this particular part, you can perform different assignment operators. Okay, assignment operators. We'll see what are the different types of assignment operators. One is addition assignment. The next one is subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment. Okay, next one is multiplication assignment and division assignment, modulus. After modulus, what is the one more thing? Modulus, hand, that is like this, hand, this is a symbol of hand, or, and next one is XOR, that is XOR. This is the symbols of this particular assignment operators. Okay, subtraction assignments, multiplication assignment, division assignment, modulus assignment, and assignment, or assignment, and XOR assignment. We'll see how we can write all the programs of this particular assignment operators, how to write the program. Okay, I'll show you now. See, the program it's for, now the program it's for addition assignment. Okay, the program it's for this addition assignment. You have to write include str.h, which is known as preprocessor directive, to import printf, and main function int main, open the curly braces. Then you have to declare the variable is equal to assigning the value. After declaring, you have to add value to her variable. After adding value to her variable, means what value you want to add, you can write in this particular place, that is adding value to a variable. Now I want to print this particular things, that is printf, format specifier, because it is integer, new line, close the double inverted comma, then you have to write just x, means you have to write the variable. Now the output will be, means you have to write semicolon, close the curly braces. The output will be what? 10 plus 5 is 15. Whatever value you want to add, you can write in this particular part. If you write 2, that means 10 plus 2, it becomes 12. Okay, in this particular part, you can perform different assignment operators, that is minus, subtraction, multiplication and division, modulus and hand operators, or operator, and also XO or assignment operator. This things is easy because I already shown in the last particular video. What is modulus? Modulus means reminder. It's a reminder. When you divide 10 divided by, means when you divide 10 divided by 5, that is 10 divided by 5, you can see 10 is being divided by 5. 5 2s are 10, right? Now the remainder is 0. So the answer of that particular modulus means 0. Okay. Modulus I've already shown in the last video. This particular hand or and XOR I'll be showing in this particular video how to write the program for this. Okay. See, first we have to write, that is include str.h, include str.h, int main, after int main, that is curly braces, and you have to declare the value, any value. You can declare variable. Okay, you have to declare the variable, any variable you can declare, and you have to assign the value, any value. Then you have to perform hand operator. For that hand operator, same place you have to write and symbol is equal to 5. Okay. After writing this, the same thing like printf, you want to print the value. For that you have to use decimal, that is integer. It is the integer. Because of integer only this format specify %d will come. New line. After this new line, you have to print this variable. Print the particular value of the variable. After that semicolon and close the bracket. We'll see how to write this output for this particular program. First, these numbers are integers, right? This particular integers number I should convert into binary. For converting into binary, there is one formula. It's not formula, but you can remember this. Okay, you have to write 8421. It's like 1 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4. It keep on continuing. Okay, it keep on continuing. We'll perform for this. Now the value is 10. I have to find for this, right? So you write like, if you had this, you have to get 10. We'll see how. 8 and 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. Other things will become 0. Next one is 5. Okay. 4 plus 1 is 5. Other things is 0. In hand, you know, in truth table, what it will be? In hand truth table, both the values should be true. If both the values is true, means that is 1 and 1, then it's 1. Okay. Both the values should be true. If it is 1 is true and 1 is false, means it's 0. Okay, the same thing. 0, 1 is 0. 0, 0, it's 0. Okay, if you know this, you can solve this. Both the values should be true. If any value, both the values are true, that means output will be 0. The output will be 0. The same way, for the same program, you can perform OR function. To this part, you can write OR symbol, that is known as this. Okay, this is an OR symbol. Okay, OR symbol. What is the truth table of OR? Truth table of OR means 1 is true, 1 is false. Means if 1 is true also, the result will be true only. Okay, any 1 should be true. That is 0, 1 is equal to 1, 1, 1 is equal to 1, 0, 0 is equal to 1. We'll solve it for the same values. Okay, same values. We'll see now. 1, 0, 1, 0, it's 10th one. The value, the binary values of 10, and 5 means 0, 1, 0, 1. You can see one value is true in each thing. So the answer will be 1, 1, 1. Now 8, 4, 2, 1. If all the things has 1, 1, 1, what is the sum of this? Sum is, that is 15, right? See, yeah, 15 is the output if it is for OR. If you know this particular truth table, means you can write 1 should be true. Any 1 should be true. That's it. Okay, for the same program, we'll do XOR. For this particular part, you have to write XOR symbol. We'll see how. This is the XOR symbol, right? Right, for the particular part, you have to write. If XOR symbol means there should be two different values. That means 1. XOR means two different values. One should be true, one should be false. We'll see the truth table. 1 0 is 1, 0 1 is 1, 1 1 is 0, 0 0 is 0. Okay, there should be two different value. One is true, one is false. Okay, for the same value will perform. For the same value will perform. That is 10 and 5. You can see 10 and 5. For the same value will perform now. XOR 10 is equal to, you can see 10 is equal to, I know already, 1 0 1 0. 5 means 0 1 0 1. Now there are all the different values, right? If XOR means, if two different values means a result will be true. That means 1. Okay, for everything we have tried 1 1 1. So what will be the output if you include XOR? It will be 15. You can refer this program. At this part you can change that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, AND operator, OR operator and XOR operator. Now I'll show in the system, right? Now I'll show in the system. The first program, as I said, where it is a preprocessor directive, int main function, already declared the variable, assigning the value and adding the value to the variable, means you want to add, that is 10 plus 5 is 15. Can you see the output? At this place you can write different assignment operators. Okay, you can write, that is subtraction assignment. We'll see 10 minus 5. What is the answer? It will give output. It will give 10 minus 5 is 5. You can see. Okay, as we have learnt about assignment operator. Assignment operator means assigning the value to a variable. This is a variable, assigning value to a variable. Okay, in that different types of assignment operators, that is addition assignment, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, division, modulus, and OR and XOR, by with the help of examples. In the upcoming class, in the next class, I will be posting the other remaining operators. So if you like the content, like, share and subscribe.